Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're having a Fox-tastic day. And I just want to thank you for stopping by my channel and watching this video today. I really appreciate that. If this is your first time here, then I would invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos that I'm producing or sharing. I try to share some videos with wealth and knowledge a couple of times a week or so, maybe even more. So if you click on the subscribe button below, you won't miss out on when I put out a new video. And also, after you watch the video, if you liked it, you got some value from it, I really would appreciate if you click on the like button below as well, because that helps me with the algorithm. You can even comment or even share the video. You know, you really want to share it because I put out great value. Okay? All right. So, there's always this controversy between single opt-in or double opt-in. You know, which is better? I personally, I've done both for years, going back and forth, but I've settled in on double opt-in. And why is that? Well, double opt-in, the person really is committed to learning more about your business because they have to put their information in on your capture page, and then they have to verify their email address. And so once they do that, they've really said, I want to know what you have. And yes, your subscribers may be lower because of it, but honestly, you get more interested people who really want to know about your business. So that's my reason for why I prefer double opt-in. There's the other side of the crowd, and that's okay too. They prefer single opt-in. They're like, we'll get as many in as we can, and da-da-da-da. But, you know, a lot of times people who single opt-in, they don't put their real email address in. They put somebody else's email address in. And then you can get accused of spamming because they didn't verify. There's no way to verify they really are who they say they are when they put it in. But if you really do want to use single opt-in, that's your option. And, you know, many of us, particularly in LiveGood and many other businesses, use LeadsLeap as our foundation. I mean, I use it as my foundation. All of my business that I'm involved with online evolves around LiveGood. And LiveGood has an awesome, excellent autoresponder that has great deliverability. All right, but it's a double opt-in. All right, which again I say I prefer to use and I recommend that people use. But there are people who want to use LiveGood, who really like all the tools that LiveGood has, which they're great tools, but they don't want double opt-in, and that's okay. So let me show you what you can do if you don't know. Let me show you what you can do with your capture page if you don't want to use double opt-in. So let me do my screen share here. 1 second. Okay. So I'm in the LiveGood back office of the page manager, and I'm going to I'm going to launch the editor. I mean, this video is not about explaining how to use the overall LeadsLeap system. I'm assuming that you already know how to use it. If not, there are other videos. I even have videos on training for LeadsLeap, but this is not for that. This is just to show you this one specific way to not have to do double opt-in with your LeadsLeap capture page. All right, so you're in your LeadsLeap back office, and we will launch the page editor for the capture page. All right, so this is a capture page I'm using for LiveGood. All right, which the #1 business, the best business I think has ever been around for online marketing and network marketing, all put together, and affiliate marketing all together. It's just an astounding business. So this is one of my capture pages that I developed for LiveGood. Now, as you can see over here, where it says list, I'm using the Send Steve, which is the double opt-in autoresponder that's provided free by LeadsLeap. All right, and I just put in my email list. But if I don't want to do double opt-in, I can use a third-party list manager. All right, and there's different ways of doing it, but really all you're going to do is fill in this information. Okay, all the different information, and you can even do the advanced form setting, etc. Now, where do you get this information from? First of all, you can do this through aweber. All right, they provide free accounts up to a certain amount with some restrictions. You can do it with GetResponse. They provide a free account, again, with certain restrictions and certain things of that nature. So they provide API codes and all that you can use to add to your page. And once you've added the information in, then you just go ahead and close it, and you're good to go. All right, so it's just that simple to do that, but it's a lot more simpler if you just use the SendSteed and do the double opt-in. But again, if you don't want double opt-in, you click on the list, click on use third-party manager, and you can use various autoresponder companies and pay more money. With LeadsLeap, you can have unlimited list, unlimited subscribers, unlimited broadcast, unlimited everything, and you don't pay any more than what you're paying every month. No matter how big your list is, you don't pay more. These other guys, the bigger your list is, the more you pay. It's like they're rewarding you. It's like they're punishing you for being successful. So I just want to show that, because I hear people saying, I don't like double opt-in. I don't want to use double opt-in. And so now you can use LeadsLeap, do the share codes from your companies, and still have single opt-in if that's what you choose to do. So I hope you got something out of this real short tutorial today. I will tell you that I will always believe that double opt-in is the way to go. Even before I was with LeadsLeap, I was with another company that did double opt-in only, and I was real pleased. And even before that, when I was using aweber, I still set the double opt-in function. You had a choice of double or single. I still set the double opt-in function because I believe double opt-in is the way to go. But if you don't want to do double opt-in, you have those options to work with. So I thank you for visiting today. Again, if you got something out of this video, go ahead and click the like button, comment if you would, good or bad. I want to hear what you have to say. And if you really, really liked it, go ahead and share it so other people can gain from the value that I provided. And so if you're not in LeadsLeap yet, it's a great system. I'll put the link below where you can join it for free. You get a free lifetime account. And also, if you don't have a business to promote, or if you're looking for a business that is just really growing and taking off and just making people millionaires by the day, not by the day, but people are making a lot of money with LiveGood who've never made money before with LiveGood. So I'll put that link down below also, and that way you're set up. You've got your LeadsLeap for your foundation, and you've got LiveGood for your making money. So thank you again, my friends, and you have a fox-tastic day.